Well, hello there. Welcome to the break from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me. And yeah, this morning on my way to breakfast, I stopped into my local Fred Meyer and I asked, since I didn't see it on the shelf, I said, hey, any chance you guys got any Series 2 baseball that just released this week? And sales associate said, hold on a minute. And he brought a box, a couple boxes actually, from out back. And lo and behold, one had these mega boxes or giant box, whatever Topps is calling them. They had value boxes, they had hanger boxes. I didn't notice if they had any retail packs or anything like that, but I decided, hey, I'll just get one mega box. I know you get a lot of packs, but looks like you're supposed to get 16 packs, 14 cards a pack, so it is quite a bit. And they've done away with what everybody complained about for a while, the relics. So the thing is, you're not guaranteed anything out of these, but I didn't even look at the checklist to see on, like they did Series 1, if they have the fancy cards that they put in, like the spring cards, if they've got anything that's like for the 4th of July or summer. But anyway, so I keep hitting that. So we're just going to kind of go through. I'm not going to call out every player, but if I see a rookie like here with Carson Spires for the Reds, rookie pitcher looks like. And looks like we got one of the 89 inserts. Mickey Mantle, All-Star. And then a Nolan Arenado for the Stars of the MLB. And I know there's someone that really, really loves these. If you haven't checked out Up North Collectors, Mike is a huge lover of those. So whatever you get, feel free to send to him, because he can't get enough of those Stars of the MLB. For some reason, they have them facing backwards on every pack. Forrest Wall, that name sounds familiar for prospect. Irvin Lopez, rookie. Nick Lodolo. And we got something backwards here to $9.99. Luis Severino. Blue Shimmer. And then behind that, I saw what looks to be the Dodgers. I don't want to say he's a rookie. I mean, he is a rookie, but not a rookie in the true sense of one, because he's a rookie in the MLB, but he's been pitching in the Japanese Baseball League for quite a number of years. So 2 more rookies for the rookie pile. And then a Jason Dominguez, Stars of the MLB. Vaughn Grisham, former Brave. There's Siri. Dodgers team card, Drew Rom, rookie. Jackson Wolf, rookie. Darius Vines, rookie for the Braves. And looks like we got a True Blue, Casey Schmidt for the Giants. Another 89. Mookie Betts, All-Star. And then a Carlos Correa. I will sleeve up Casey. If I can get my fingers to work to Zach Greinke Rangers must be the World Series photo. Jackson Rutledge rookie for Washington. Jordan Wicks. Oh, covering the field. Ellie De La Cruz. Insert. And Jose Ramirez for the Guardians. I said the only thing I don't like is those facing the back. Wade Meckler rookie. Pablo Reyes for Boston. Heston Kierstead. So that's not the image variation. Lyon Richardson, rookie for the Reds. Everson Pereira, rookie for the Yankees. Gomez, rookie pitcher for the Yankees. So we got a chrome of Shohei Ohtani in the Dodgers. A regular 89 All-Star of Jazz Chisholm. And then stars of the MLB, Rafaela for Boston. So sleeve up the Ohtani chrome. It'd be wild to get a gold parallel that one. That would really be insane. Tristan Gray, rookie for the Rays. Andre Lipsius, rookie for the Tigers. And Kyle Nicholas, rookie for the Pirates. You probably won't see a... Oh, backwards. Why is Mr. Hader backwards? Is it just a foil? Probably a foil. And it is. Another 89 All-Star Teddy Ballgame. Clayton Kershaw. So again, those are Mega Box exclusive with that foil board. Drew Millis, rookie for the Nationals. Oh, Spencer Steer, Gold Cup. Ohtani, regular. Brennan Hanafy, rookie for the Tigers. Oh, and there's a team color match. Probably one of the best color match color border design, because again the Rockies are purple. Michael Toglia. So that's pretty cool. And a Dansby Swanson. And that is not an All-Star. That's the first non-All-Star insert of the 89s. And a Manny Machado. So far, a fairly solid Mega Box. Former Dodger prospect Kyle Farmer. Rookie Sawyer Gibson Long for the Tigers. Our 89s are going to be a Randy Johnson and Alex Bregman, stars of the MLB. And interesting that they choose Randy when he was on the D-backs as opposed to like Mariners, Expos, or for that matter even the Yankees. Nolan Gorman, future star. That's weird seeing Paul DeJong on the White Sox. I think that's definitely Photoshop. Harrison Bader for the Mets. Bouncing around quite a bit now. Future star Garrett Mitchell. That's a neat looking insert. Walks. Kyle Harrison, rookie for the Giants. I like the full border design. Full bleed, borderless design of that on the Ohtani. Kind of like the True Photo insert or parallel, whatever you want to call it. Like Rutherford rookie, Connor Phillips rookie, Joe Boyle rookie. Home run challenge. Tatis. A Jeter. 89. And then a Lindor. I think I actually already got a Lindor. Oh, we'll sleeve up the... Oh, I did have it right. Sleeve up the home run challenge. Kyle Hurt rookie for the Dodgers. Oh, that's weird seeing Stroman on the Yankees. Davis Daniel for the Angels. Pete Crow Armstrong, rookie for the Cubs. Round the Horn, Austin Riley, Atlanta Braves. And then Sal Frelick, rookie for the... That's Brewers, right? Yeah, pretty sure it's Brewers. Tyler Stevenson. It looks like we got a gold. Nick Lofton, rookie for the Royals. Bruce Miller, future star. Canario, rookie for the Cubs. And Marcell Ozuna, gold to 2024. 16-19 of 2024. Tatis, 89. And Yamamoto, stars of the MLB. Come on. God, I had it right the first time. Again. Last 4 packs. Will anything wild come out of these? Abreu, rookie for Boston. Chuck Peterson with Arizona. Zach Neto, future star. Tristan McKenzie. Jason Dominguez, city to city. Bregman. And a Joey Votto. I'm trying to recall if he signed with anybody. I know he was teamless at the start of the season, but I don't know if anybody signed him to like a minor league contract or not. Yeah, we'll sleeve up the city to city. Down to the last 3. That's interesting because it's got the old Florida Marlins logo. Even though they're called the Miami Marlins now. Jose Tena For the Guardians, Weston Wilson, rookie. For the Phillies, Ryan Kirkering. For the Phillies as well. Oh, we got something here. Another home run challenge. Oh, covering the field. Home run challenge of Matt Olson. Vlad Jr. on the cover in the field. Mike Trout. Luis Arraez. Sadly, I don't know if he's still in Miami now or not for the Marlins. But it seemed like he really needed to go. Oh, yes, he did. He got traded to the, if I recall correctly, the Padres. Last two packs. Oh, we got, it looks like something here. Probably just a relic. Shota for the Cubs, rookie. Joe Kelly, Nicky Lopez. Around the horn, Matt McLain. Zach Geloff, rookie. Stars of the MLB. And who is our relic? Oh, I did have it right. JT. It is JT Realmuto. No number. Just a base. I mean, it is game used. Mem. Last pack. Last chance. Slade Cecconi, rookie. Bryce Jarvis, rookie pitcher for the D-backs as well. Another True Blue. Matt Vierling. Wasn't he a Cub? Phillies. Showing Soto. Oh, it does show Soto on the Yankees for the All-Star, and then the final Stars of the MLB is just a base foil of Ohtani. So we'll go through and organize the pile here, and then we'll do a quick recap. So stay tuned. Okay, here we go with a quick hit recap of 2024 Topps Series 2 Baseball, the Giant Box. So, notable, like say the inserts, we got the All-Star Soto, which again, I'm assuming that's going to be a Photoshop because he's probably still technically in the Padres that year. But anyway, then we got our Giant Box exclusive silver foil boards. We got the Mookie Betts, got the Yamamoto, Mickey Mantle All-Star, Ted Williams All-Star, Dansby Swanson, Randy Johnson, Alex Bregman, All-Star of Mike Trout. 2 home run challenges out of this box. Matt Olson and Tatis. Then for the insert, again, I'm not sure what the insert name is, but it's got Ohtani with 433 average and a weighted on-base average. So like I said, it's just got, maybe it's significant statistics, maybe. And you got the City to City of Jason Dominguez rookie for the Yankees. Then Ohtani Chrome stars of the MLB insert. Then for color, got two blue, True Blues, or Retail Blue, whatever you want to refer to them as. Matt Vierling and Casey Schmidt. Got a gold, Marcell Ozuna to 2024. That was numbered 1619 of 2024. And then Luis Severino, Mets Blue Shimmer out of 999. And the cool team color border for Michael Toglia. Again, those are not numbered, but they are a tough pull, as far as I know anyway. And then did actually get a relic card out of this giant box. Going to be a JT Realmuto jersey relic base. But anyway, that concludes this box break, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more videos, and have a great rest of your day. And as always, keep collecting.